Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. You guys turn on your post notifications and give this video a thumbs up. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this chocolate breakable heart. It is so easy and so pretty. They are very versatile. You can pretty much do so many different designs and colors with them. Alright, so starting off, I have some melted white chocolate here. I am using some oil-based food coloring. Oil-based food color is important because it doesn't seize up your chocolate, okay? So I just put a few drops and then I'm going to make some swirls because I want this breakable heart to be marble, okay? So now I am just going to pour this chocolate. I'm going to move it around a bit and I'm going to pour it inside of my silicone heart. I got this off of Amazon. It came with some little wooden little hammers. I can't even think of what to call them. Brain freeze. So moving it all around to make sure that the chocolate gets all over this silicone heart. And then I am just going to use like a spatula or knife to make sure that it gets around the edges. And then I will clean that up. And I have my pink baking mat, which is also, I think, silicone. Under here is that I'm dropping the chocolate on because it scrapes off pretty good once the chocolate hardens. I'm able to just pick it up and reuse it if I need to, or pick it up and toss it. Okay, and so this is, I decided to use a cake knife because that was the first thing that I seen. So I am just going to spread the chocolate while it's still wet all around the edges, and then I will use a paper towel to clean it up, and then we're going to pop it in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Okay, so fresh out the freezer, I am going to add another layer just to make sure that when you take it apart, so this makes it thicker, like the chocolate thicker. So when you take it apart, it doesn't just crumble and break up. It has some weight to it. So I am using the same method. Now this portion is a little bit harder, so I'm just going to use a spoon to just spread that around because it's cold and the cold, makes the chocolate harden. So this is out the freezer. I probably should let it set just a little bit longer, but I didn't want it to melt, so I'm just using a spoon to help me out a bit. And I'm going to pop that back in the freezer for just a few minutes while I go ahead and dip my strawberries. So using the same method, I am going to drop some oil-based food coloring back into this other cup of chocolate that I have, but I'm not going to use as many drops as I did before because I kind of went overboard. And I'm just going to make some swirls and for the strawberries. Okay, so dipping the strawberries, I always like to insert toothpicks. You can insert any type of wooden sticks that you have. They do definitely sell them much thicker and longer, but I always have toothpicks on hand, and they are much cheaper, so I'm going to use those. And these are just going to sit on this baking mat or the silicone mat to dry. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish this up. Okay, so now that I am all done with the strawberries, I am going to go ahead and remove this heart from the mat. So just I'll pull away at the edges first, and then you can kind of just peel the rest off from the top. And there we are. It came out so beautiful, so cute. I am going to put this in a box, so I am using this. I am literally having so many brain freezes, y'all, but whatever this stuff is, I put it at the bottom. It's super cute. Get it from Dollar Tree. That use stuffed bags with some type of decor, but it's cute. Or you can put marshmallows at the bottom, whatever you want, or just use some tissue paper. And then I'm going to add a strawberry to each corner. Only did 4 because I knew the size box that I have. You can definitely do 6 if you have a bigger box, and put 3 along each side. And I'm going to use this gold dust. I got this shimmer from Walmart, and it's actually pretty cool. It only costs about $3. And just added some shimmer to my heart, and look how pretty that is, you guys. So cute. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. That is the end of my video. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one.